Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related videos, and today we're finally going to be unboxing the Boxycharm Premium for July. So Boxycharm is just a monthly beauty subscription. They have the regular box, $25 a month, 5 full-size products. They have this one, $35 a month, and you get 6 full-size products. And then every 3 months they do have Boxy Luxe, which I believe you get around 8 products for $50. And normally the brands are like higher end luxury brands. And here is the box. It's a special edition. I didn't even know that this was going to be like this month. I did not like I try not to stay, or I try to stay off social media, like for their Instagram accounts and stuff. I don't really want to know what I'm getting. I want it to be a surprise. But the other day I was scrolling through something and I seen that the boxes was going to be like Norvina and Anastasia Beverly Hills. So very excited about this. And the box is unique this month. It is prettier. Okay, so here is the card. And I cannot wait to get into this. So we're just going to start off grabbing anything. First thing I grabbed is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. This is the A30. Nice little buffer brush. You could contour with this. You could set powders with this. You could put foundation on with this. There's really a lot you could do with it. I like the feeling. Feels really good. So I do like that. I love brushes. Alright, so our next product is their Dewy Set Setting Spray. We are getting 100 milliliters, which is 3.4 float ounces. Now their brow products is probably some of my favorite. There is, and this is right here. She is. It is really pretty. I have another one that I got, like a Dewy set, but it's got some glitter in it, but it is like, you see how this is? And here's the one I got by Beauty Crop, the Coco Rose Mist. It's got a little glitter in it for the summertime, give you that glowy look. But I really like this one. Like for them days you just want to be bronze and glowy. And that's how it sprays. We'll put a little bit on. Just a little bit. I know I already got enough like glow going on. It doesn't have a bad smell. It sprayed really good. I would say shake it up before you use it. Okay. Our next product is the loose setting powder. We're getting 25 grams, which is 0.9 flow ounces. It is vegan, gluten-free, dermatologist tested, alcohol-free, long-wearing, non-condom something. And it is like you're getting a pretty good size. I have personally never used this settings powder before. I like the looks of it. It's very just sleek, nice looking. And this is actually sleek, like material. So I do like the size of it, because even like some of my other ones are like, my Fenty is pretty good. The one I buy from Jeffree Star is like smaller than this. But this is a little bit bigger than most of mine. Oh, I found it. And I do like how it had a tab to pull, because these things kill me. And we will just dump a little bit out, see what it looks like. I like my setting powders to be like milled really good. It looks good. Here it is. I don't know how you swatch powder, but right there it is. You just like set a little bit under your eyes. And then take your brush, wipe it. Probably better do the other eye. Okay, so I do like it. It doesn't smell funny. That's something that I'm very funny about. It's not like heavily on perfume. I do not like something that has a lot of perfume in it. The Jeffree Star does smell like cotton candy, but it's not like when I put it on, it's no bothersome. Okay, our next product, which I think this is what, our fourth product. Okay, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Triangular brow pencil. You're getting 0.2 grams, which is 0.007 ounces, which is probably, I don't know, I've never really looked at the weight on my brow pencils, but that's probably like standard. Now I got the color soft brown. They are cruelty free. And right here it is. There's the spoolie. I don't know. I used an e.l.f. one this morning. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. And here is this. And here is the color. It'll match. And it looks like it'll blend out pretty good too. So I like that. Which I just end up buying some brow pencils anyway, because either like taupe is like way too a lot for me. Even though I got like red hair and like a little blonde, you think it'd work out good. But the sun bleaches my brows. And I used their, what's that called? The brow one, Flawless Brow. I don't like to use them on my brows. But I did it really quick, like 2 days ago. I need to pluck them, but the sun just absolutely bleaches it. I do need to do another, like I guess dyeing them and getting them done. I need to get that done, but I just haven't had time. Okay, so I'm going to open this, but this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. We're getting 10 milliliters, 0.34 flow ounces. Looks about average. It feels really heavy. It feels good. I like the flick. Nothing too out there, but it looks really good. The component in your hand just feels really good. So I do like the way, I like the brow end brush on it. And let me see. I don't know, I think it looks pretty good. I did not, it's not making gum, thank God. But I can't really see in the mirror. I did forget my mascara this morning, so, But I think it did add something to my, I can't really tell. That blue is just like blocking my lashes out anyway. So I do like that. It takes like really, really good mascara to get me amped about, because I find that most mascaras are all about the same, and some of them smells awful, and I cannot stand that. I did not smell that. A lot of mascaras just got such a funny smell about them, and this does not have it. I'm glad, because I cannot stand, even though it goes away, it's just the initial when you're applying it. I do not like the smell of mascara. Okay, here is our last item, which I believe to be a palette. Yes. ABH Norvina collection. Oh my god, I love purple. You guys know that. Anybody that's been with me, you know how I love purple. So hopefully we're getting a lot of purple eye colors in here. I hope we get a lot of bright colors. Okay, get all that out of the way. And here she is. I really like the feel of it. It's like a plastic, and it doesn't feel, it's not cheap or anything like that. It's made really good. And it's got a big, big mirror in it. And Look at all these fun colors. I love these purples. You guys know how much I love purples. I cannot wait to play with that. Let's swatch. We might not swatch all of them, but let's swatch the first row and some of these brighter colors. This one is A1, A2, A3, A4. Then let's do A5. Looks really good. I do like how they're numbered, like A's, they don't got no names, but they're like, then you got B, C, D, and E. Then here starts the second row. Then the last one in that row is right here. Then I like this color right there. I'm just making a gum now. Let me see. Ooh, I don't have enough room, so here is D2. Oh my God, that is for me. And this red, listen, I have been looking for such a good red color. I love red eyeshadows. The other day I went through like all mine. I was looking for a Pacific red. Could not find what I was looking for. This might be it. That is a pretty red. And then it's D4. Right next to that red. I love that. And I do like this yellow to go with some of my other yellows. So right here it is. And this E4, guys, this hot pink is like calling my name. Like right there. Oh my God, I'm in love. And let's just do E1 and E2. That just leaves like 3 I didn't swatch. Well, let's do that again. There. I love that. Then let me see. What is D5, E5, and E3. Here they are. That's all of them. So we end up swatching them all anyway. I am absolutely loving this palette. This is like one of my dream palettes. The colors are me. I work with purples all the time. I work with oranges, pinks, yellows on a day-to-day basis. So I am going to use this palette a lot, and I am going to love it. Okay, so we paid $35 for this box, and I believe, I don't even have to add it up, I do believe that we got our money's worth. But let me get my calculator and make sure. I can't even find my calculator. This is my backup phone in case something happens to my other phone. Okay, I cannot find my calculator. Like, there it is. Okay, so the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1 is worth $60. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Settings Powder, which is right here, that is $38. And the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mascara, right here's the box. I do not know where it went, but it is $25. And the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. Oh my God, I laid everything down and lost it. But right here's the packaging. It is retailed for $23. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray is retailed for $26. Then our last item was the Kabuki brush. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 Pro Brush Dome Kabuki brush. It is retailed for $24. So we paid $35 for the box, and it is retailed for $196. So you really got your money worth. This is some really incredible makeup. I am so happy with my Boxy premium this month. I am going to enjoy every item in this box. If you guys would like to see a look done with this palette, let me know, because I cannot wait to play with it. And I will leave a book link down in the description box below. If anybody hasn't tried Boxycharm for themselves, you can go check it out. They got add-ons and points and stuff like that. You can do reviews and get points and buy items. And they also have like add-ons, like not like Ipsy's add-ons are like you add them on, but they come in a different package. You pay for them and then they're shipped out the next month, really. And that's about it. But it is heavily discounted. But I guess that is it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you're not already subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And I really enjoyed hanging out with you. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.